Ever wish Steam would start automatically every time you turn on your PC so you can jump straight into gaming without the extra clicks? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make that happen, step by step. By the end of this guide, Steam will launch every time your system starts, saving you time and hassle. First, open your Steam app. If you're not logged in, enter your account details and sign in. Once you're on the Steam homepage, click on the Steam menu in the top left corner and select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the Interface tab. Here you'll see an option labeled Run Steam when my computer starts. Make sure this box is checked. This is the main setting that allows Steam to launch automatically on startup. Next, let's double check it on your system. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager, then click on the Startup tab. Look for Steam in the list of programs. If it's disabled, right-click and select Enable. This ensures Windows will actually allow Steam to start automatically. For Mac users, open System Settings, go to General, then Login Items. Click the plus button, locate your Steam app, and add it to the list. This achieves the same result. Steam will launch every time your Mac powers on. Once these steps are done, restart your computer to test it out. If Steam opens automatically, congratulations, you've successfully set it up. If not, double-check both the Steam interface setting and your system's startup configuration. Sometimes a simple reboot after enabling these settings is all it takes, and that's it. With just a few clicks, you can make sure Steam is ready to go as soon as you start your computer, giving you more time to dive into your favorite games. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if this guide helped you. Happy gaming, and see you in the next video!